The road to the giants and the angels. There's something magical about the approach to Sequoia National Park. It doesn't start with the giants. It starts with the rolling foothills, golden and sun-warmed, rising gently like a prelude to a symphony. The sky opens wide and everything feels spacious, expectant. And then the climb begins. The road starts to wind and curl as if in conversation with the mountains. And I have to tell you, I wasn't just driving, I was gliding. My brother's Mercedes, which I christened Baby Love, handled every curve like it was dancing. Baby Love didn't just take the turns, it embraced them, smooth, strong, absolutely in its element. As the foothills give way to the forest, the air changes. You can feel it before you even see it. Cooler, richer, almost ancient. You wind higher and suddenly the trees start to grow taller, thicker, more commanding. It's like entering a cathedral with no roof. A fire swept through these mountains not long ago, and still the sequoias stand, scarred, rooted, and resilient. And then there they are. The General Sherman tree, standing before it, is like staring at time itself. The largest tree on earth by volume, thousands of years old, and still reaching. It doesn't boast, it simply is. And that's enough to leave you speechless. Not far away is the Congress Trail, where giants gather like elders in a council, the President, the Senate, the House. These presidents don't just line the trail, they shape it. Their bark holds the memory of lightning, fire, snow, and sun. Their silence is powerful enough to hush a crowd. Walking among them, you don't feel small, you feel connected, rooted, even if just for a moment. On the drive out, the sun began to dip, turning the sky soft amber and lavender. The same winding road down, the same curves, but now carrying that stillness within me. Baby Love was humming along like she was born for mountain roads. And then thump, thump, thump. A sound no driver wants to hear. I pulled over onto the tiniest sliver of shoulder, barely enough room to breathe, hazard lights blinking, the sun sliding behind the ridge, and of course my phone was dead. I'd taken so many pictures and videos that I drained it dry. Cars kept passing, rubberneckers, gawkers, but nobody stopped. I opened the trunk, lifted the panel, and all I saw was a perfect indentation where a tire could have been. Just an empty cradle. I thought, well, that's that. I guess I'm sleeping in the car tonight. And then 2 angels appeared. Somehow they squeezed their car into that narrow space behind me. A father and daughter. He was a car mechanic. She was a doctor in residency. He got down on the pavement, looked deeper into the trunk, way below where I would have thought to look, and there it was, a little biscuit tire tucked into a hidden compartment. Except it was nearly flat. That's when angel number 2 stepped up. The doctor opened her trunk and pulled out a portable air pump, like she'd been sent on an assignment. They filled the tire, got it on, and didn't just pat me on the back. They followed me all the way down the mountain to make sure I was safe. No phone, no spare I could see, no shoulder to pull off on, but God sent a mechanic and a doctor at sunset on a mountain road. Because, of course she did. God is good. God is great. And Baby Love, she carried me home with angels in my rear view. God is good. God is great.